Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? In today's videos, we are going to do a beauty box review, and this time we're going to review my favorite beauty box, BoxyCharm, and we are going to do the premium box. And let's get started and let's talk about and what seats in here. So heavy, oh my god. Okay, I think this is my third video for BoxyCharm now, because ever since Rich Lux told me to subscribe to Box, I'm blown away. The money that I pay and the item I got was like a phenomenal. I don't like everything I received, but technically you get a lot of value for the item that you receive. So let's kind of take a moment to explain to you what is a BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is a beauty subscription box. They do monthly and then they do quarterly. What else? Yeah, monthly and quarterly. And for the monthly subscription, there's two options. One is called the BoxyCharm. It's $25, the value $120. I'm reading my cheat sheets right here. And then there's another one called BoxyCharm Premium. You pay $35. For $10 more, you're getting average $175 value in the box. That is pretty awesome. Another thing I really like about BoxyCharm is that you can actually pick and choose some of the category that you like. You want more makeup, you want more skincare, you want more tool. So you can pre-select that. And then once you try the item, anything that you like, there's a huge discount on the item that in the box. I definitely put those information below. If you're interested to subscribe BoxyCharm, make sure you use the a referral code down there. That would be really awesome. So today we are doing the BoxyCharm Premium, and let's see what's in my box. Okay, so this is the box. This month's box is extremely heavy. I was like, oh my god, break my arm here. So let me just open up to show you guys. There's a lot of goodie in here. Ta-da! I kind of cheated a little bit. I opened this last night to the Instagram story. Actually, I tried some of the item in there. So, but anyway, I just want to show you what is in here. It's really, really cool. Alright, so it's $35 and the item is between 6 to 7 items versus the $25 only 5 items. So, let me just bring this information back up. So the first thing I see is a glow recipe. I actually have this before, and this is their Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. And this baby they are selling for $49. So wait a minute, I paid $35 and the first item is already $49. So you know you get your money worth it. And personally, I do more skincare than makeup, so I get more skincare item. Or do I? Well, kind of, sort of. So this is the sleeping mask from Glow Recipe. They actually also made one for the eye area. It's really, really cool. I really enjoy this item and the brand. The only thing I'm not too crazy is the packaging. So this is very cute, right? But check this out. How are you going to get stuff on here? They give you a spatula. I don't know, where's the spatula go? Like even they give you a spatula, it's so hard to get in here. You basically put your finger, scoot it out. So I do not like the packaging design. I think they can work on that a little bit better. But the product itself is not bad at all. Sleeping mask, you put this on and go to sleep next morning. Your skin be more radiant because there's a retinol in there, exfoliate the skin. So, I mean, $49 in this box, I totally like, wow, that's really, really good deal. Let's move on to the next item right now. The next item I want to show you is like, whoa, I'm blown away. It's by Too Faced. It's a Cocoa Contour Kit, and this is value for $44. So wait, so this is $44 and this is $49. So that is $93 already. These two items already $93. You can get this at Sephora, but I pay $35. That's a really good deal. And by the way, it's not sponsored. I'm not as big as other vlogger. I don't get sponsored for this type of stuff. I pay for myself, but I really think it's a good value. That's why. Okay, let me show you this compact here. I think last month I got the Too Faced eyeshadow palettes, and I think they both kind of in the same category. I am pretty sure that they don't give you the latest, hottest makeup or skincare, but who cares? I mean, so what, you got this 4 months later. I believe this was launched last year in the fall season. I went to the party with Josetti and Genesis for their Glow Recipe party. So it's about 6-7 months now, but doesn't matter. I think it's still good, right? Okay, so I'm gonna open this and show you right now. This has 6 different contour colors. It has a highlighter, has a peach colors, ivory color, brown, light brown, dark brown, and I can totally see you can use this around your eye as well as too. One thing that you follow me, I started experimenting more makeup on my skin. I used to be a professional makeup artist working for a major cosmetic brand like Makeup Forever, but that was 20 years ago. And I'm just not really big on paint my face like other YouTube blogger. That's just not my style, but I don't mind to do some really cute makeup, more subdued makeup, more dewy, glowy makeup. So you will see me doing a lot more of those makeup tutorial in the future. So I'm kind of happy to get this here, and hopefully that you can learn something different makeup technique than other bloggers out there. So once again, when I do makeup, it's always more dewy, more luminous, more radiant, more seduced, more sexy. Instead, you're not going to see my color, it's like painted on, like line by line. I don't do that. Nothing wrong with that style, but that doesn't look good on me. So, especially if somebody's going to be 47 years old, I just can't competing a 17-year-old makeup style. That just doesn't work for me. If any one of you agree that, leave a comment below. I will show you something it's appropriate for our age group. Let me tell you that. Alright, so that's the next item here. The next item is a Kat Von D. It's the Vegan Beauty, and this is $20. It's a Seduce Kiss Cream Lipstick. So it's a full size, $20. So 3 items already $100. So this colors, let me just get some a swatch for that to show you guys. Whoa, it's a really dark reddish brown tones. Okay, but it's very warm. One thing about lipstick is if you're getting a warm tone like this, it basically will work on any skin undertone, and it's more safe if you're not really good at makeup. And to make this brighter, you can use a brighter color liner to mix the color together. It can make the color brighter. Or you can get some gloss or lip balm to mix with the lipstick, so tone down the color. That's what I normally do. Okay, let's move on to the next item. The next item I want to show you is I love when they give me body product. It's by Skin Company, by I think it's Roma, and it's body shower gel. Is that right? Has a what is it? Lemongrass and wild orange in there. It's a vegan clean skincare. So that's good. Let me smell this. Oh, it smells so good. Can you smell that? It smells very lemongrass rather than orange. So I definitely can't wait to try this. I mean, I feel like for the morning I like something more invigorating, very clean, very fresh scent. At nighttime I like to use something more warmer, more subtle shower gel to prepare I go to sleep. How often do you, how many times do you wash your body? Do you wash it once a day or twice a day? I do twice a day, in the morning and at nighttime. I know, I'm crazy. Alright, that's just 2 more items I want to share with you. And by the way, this is a full size. It's $22. Alright, so let's go on to the next item now. Okay, this one is by, I don't think I pronounced what it's called, Battington beauty brushes. And there's only 2 in here, and I checked out the price. I am blown away. This is $90 in retail value. I don't think I have a $90 brushes. It's very expensive. It's a copper gold tone handle. I don't know why it's so expensive, honestly. So the other thing I want to share with you guys is that BoxyCharm did really well is, let me show you, hold please. Say that this is the brushes right here, right, on their side. And if you click the product information, it has option to see buy it from the brand. So they take you to the brand website so you can learn more about their brand and products right here. Let's see what it say. High performance powder contour brush sets, excellent addition to your makeup series. So the brush is actually made of the Taklon hair. It's basically a synthetic hair. It's to mimic their natural sable. So it's not real hair. So, but it feels really good though. So this is the powder. Oh, feels good. You know when it's good synthetic hair brushes, when you poke your face like this, if it doesn't poke your skin, that means they do a really nice cut and trim. Because sometimes when you buy really cheap one, like from Target for $3, it can actually poke your skin, right? That's not good. So this is actually better. So you can try it like this. If it feels soft, not poking your skin, that's good quality. But $90 for this, I'm still blown away. I don't know why it's so expensive though. Wow. Okay, well, let's move on to the next item. Okay, the next item, this is humongous. This is by Grace and Stella. It's the beauty brand that it's their anti-wrinkle energizing face mask 6-pack. And this is the one I tried the last night, me and my mom. And when I first saw this, I was thinking, wow, this is probably very expensive because it's a huge box with 6 different masks in here. And at first I thought it was a gold mask, 24 karat gold, but it's not. It's really for, let's see, it's really to against environmental damage, against free radical, and stranger skin. And then diminishing the fine lines of wrinkle, boost the collagen production in the skin. But honestly, after 10 minutes I removed this on my skin, it actually made my skin feel drier. So I don't really too crazy for this. And this is retail for $25 for 6 piece. But it's still pretty big though, I mean honestly. One thing I don't like about this kind of gelatin mask is that once they sit on his face, it moves very easily so that you can't really do much because it will fall off, which I don't like that. So I still prefer cotton sheet mask because they can lay on the skin better. You can move around, doesn't fall off. This is pretty easy to fall off. But there are people love and swear by this gelatin mask, but that's your personal preference. Alright, so again, I paid $35, and for the June box, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, and I calculated based on the retail price, not a sale price, okay? It's $250. So on the other hand, if I had to do this review by myself, buy them separately, it will cost me $250. So I am so glad that I discovered this beauty box, and I think that going forward I will review more beauty box. There is another one coming soon, the premium, not premium, they're just the regular BoxyCharm box. It should be arriving soon, so I will do another review for that. But that probably gonna be post on social media, on Instagram rather than on YouTube, because it's much of a smaller box. But either way, I will share that with you guys, see how I like it or not. Definitely let me know if there's any box out there is worth it to spend the money. Currently, I have a Laura Beauty box, which I do like. It's only like $15 a month. And Sephora boxes cancel, Macy boxes cancel, and what else? And then BoxyCharm 2 box. I actually ordered 3 box. Remember I said that there's a premium, this one, and this regular. There's one called a Luxe box. Luxe box is $50 each box quarterly, and that's a value over $250. And that's not here yet, but once it's here I can share with you guys what the heck is in there. I'm sure it's pretty amazing. So I want to say thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. It means a lot to me. And I do want to explain to you that when I do this kind of beauty box, I don't really open the product because that make the video too long. So usually I will do another skincare review using the product on the box. And if you don't hear me talking about a product on the box after a month or so, that means I don't really care. It doesn't do anything for me, so I don't want to waste my time. But I definitely will do this. And I will definitely do a makeup tutorial with the Too Faced. That's so cool. I can't wait to show you create a beautiful set of glowy makeup look. That'll be so sexy. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and that means a lot to me. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe my YouTube, and share the video to your friends. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!